When you can't decide between chocolate or vanilla, why not have both? This marble mug cake gives you the best of both worlds in just minutes. It's soft, swirled, and looks like something straight from a bakery. No oven, no mess, just your microwave doing all the work. And the best part? You can top it off with any glaze or sprinkles you love. Let's get started. In a small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of flour. This is the soft base of our cake. Next, add 1½ tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and just a tiny pinch of salt. Give it a quick mix to blend all ingredients. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk. Dairy or almond both work, and a tablespoon of oil or melted butter to keep it soft and moist. Finish with a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract to round out the flavor. Mix until smooth and lump-free. Keep it aside. In another bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of flour for the base, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Add in a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a tiny pinch of salt. Mix everything together so the baking powder spreads evenly. Stir in 2 tablespoons of milk, plus a tablespoon of oil or melted butter. Either will keep it tender. And don't forget a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir until you have a glossy, chocolatey batter. This will give us those rich swirls. Keep it aside. Lightly grease a large microwave-safe mug with butter or oil. Drop alternating spoonfuls of vanilla and chocolate batter inside, layering them up. Take a toothpick or skewer and gently swirl the batters together. Not too much, or you'll lose the marble effect. Microwave the mug for about 80 to 90 seconds. Keep an eye on it as it rises. For a bakery-style touch, in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese and 1 teaspoon of butter at room temperature. Stir in 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and finish with a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence for that warm, bakery-style flavor. Beat everything together until creamy and soft. Once your mug cake has cooled slightly, spread the frosting generously over the top, all the way to the edges. For the final touch, drizzle chocolate syrup in zigzag style and sprinkle shredded chocolate on top. It melts slightly into the frosting and makes every bite decadent. And there you have it, a warm, swirled marble mug cake with both vanilla and chocolate in every bite. Easy, cozy, and just the thing when you can't pick a favorite. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.